Setting up BunnyCDN with your WordPress website improves page load speed and overall performance by serving your website static content from a global network of edge servers. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for BunnyCDN. Go to BunnyCDN and sign up for an account. After registration, log in to access the BunnyCDN dashboard. Create a pull zone. In the BunnyCDN dashboard, navigate to Zones and click on Create Pull Zone. Enter your website's URL and give the zone a name. BunnyCDN will automatically pull content from your server. Copy the CNAME provided by BunnyCDN. Configure DNS. In your domain registrar's control panel, create a CNAME record pointing to the BunnyCDN CNAME. This step routes your site's static content through BunnyCDN servers. Install the BunnyCDN WordPress plugin. In WordPress, go to Plugins, Add New, search for BunnyCDN and install the plugin. Activate the plugin and enter the API key and pull zone URL from your BunnyCDN dashboard. Configure the plugin. In the BunnyCDN plugin settings, enable automatic integration to offload static content like images, JavaScript, and CSS to BunnyCDN. Test your site. After configuration, test your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to see the improvements.